Fall is officially here at Dollar Tree. We are here. Autumn is here at Dollar Tree. These are pumpkin filler, and you get like 3 on a vine with the leaves and the darker pumpkin. It's beautiful. Look at these gorgeous eucalyptus leaves in red, orange, and green. Even the green has some orange coming through, like they're changing. It just screams fall. Oh, and I think I see 2 others. Here's some other leaves. They're in yellow with some glitter. And these are like a cream color with glitter. And look at the detail. Look at the detail on these leaves. Even like with the color. Dollar Tree is stepping it all the way up. These hydrangeas are beautiful, and they even have the darker purple, like brown on the inside. They have the blue. They have the like forest green, fall green, and they have this really nice deep purple. Here are other eucalyptus in cream, like an orange and brown color, bright red, changing green, and this darker like maroon, like purple color. They're really nice. And these are just beautiful. I mean, look at that deep purple. These colors are so vibrant. I mean, I'm so excited for fall, and it's just a few days after summer. These are silver dollars, and they're nice and long. I don't know who Sophie is, but they have this brand. Different sets of scrunchies. It's similar to Scunchie. Might be their brand of Scunchie. These are really Ione Lash Bar. We have all kinds. Ione High.
Okay. One more time. Okay.
Different kinds. This is the nail art bar. I've never seen this. This is an exclusive. Nail wrap stickers by Ione. And they're in all kinds. There's a mermaid. There's leopard. There's glitter. They have stencil art. I mean, this is really cute. Look at these flowers and butterflies. The gold is really cute. Sort of timeless.
I know so far like they help
And look at these sequins. This is really cute. I'm gonna try not to buy all this stuff. Oh my gosh, nail chrome powder. I've been seeing this online. Oh, this is really cool. And you put it on and it chromes it out. This is it. This is the jackpot. hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree shop and browse with me. And if you like what you see, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to A Little for a Lot. Until next time.
Taking a chance.